we are now going to determine whether lines are parallel or perpendicular. Perpendicular using slope. And so the idea here, two lines are parallel if they never cross. But the only way they're never going to cross is if their slope is the same. So if the slope is the same, then they're parallel because they never cross. Perpendicular, on the other hand, means that they cross at exactly a 90-degree angle. But what that means in terms of their slope, it means that they're negative reciprocals. And a negative reciprocal, if you multiply a number by its negative reciprocal, such as 1/3 times minus 3 over 1, notice they're reciprocals because what's on top goes to bottom, what's on bottom goes to top, and the opposite signs you get negative 1. So these are the two things that have to be true. Parallel means same slope. Perpendicular means if I multiply the slopes, I get negative 1. And so we're going to start with a simple example. Suppose I have a line passing through the points 4, 1 and 7, 3. And I want to know, is this parallel to a line with a slope of 2/3. So how do I find out? I first calculate my slope. Rise over run. 3 minus 1 over 7 minus 4 becomes 2 over 3. Is 2 over 3 equal to 2 over 3? Yes. So this line is parallel to a line with a slope of 2/3. Is parallel. Okay. What about something going through 4, 1, a line going through 4, 1 and 7, 0, and is it perpendicular to a line with a slope of negative 1/3? So again, we calculate our slope. 0 minus 1 over 7 minus 4 is minus 1 over 3. So is minus 1 over 3 perpendicular minus 1 over 3? So we multiply it. We get positive 1/9. Is this equal to negative 1? No, so it's not perpendicular, but in this case, it happens to be the same. Notice that minus 1/3 and minus 1/3 are the same, so it is in this case. It's not always, but in this case, it's parallel. And so that's how we tell. We multiply them together to get minus 1, or we see if they're equal to see if they're perpendicular, or we set them equal to see if they're parallel. If they're not equal and they don't multiply to minus 1, that they're neither parallel nor perpendicular.